Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Battlefield 2042 not launching or crashing on startup. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, the first thing what you can do here is to verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So right click on the game, go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to basically make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. Here you just need to check for updates, and if you press this button and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU. Go to device manager, then you need to go to display adapters, right click on the GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not, and if the problem is still persisting, then you need to allow game through Windows Defender Firewall. And to do so, you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to select this one, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and then you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press B, right? And if there is a game here, and make it that all these two ticks is on. And if you don't find the game here, what you need to do here is to allow it manually. So press allow another app, then press browse, then probably is on Steam, so on default is on disk C, program files x86, and then Steam apps, common, and then you should find your game folder here, and then you just need to add this exe file here and press add. I already got it, so I got this error message. But when you add this and the problem persists, then you need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to manage settings here, scroll down until you see exclusions, and then press add or remove exclusion, press yes, add an exclusion folder, and then you need to go to the local disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, and then you just need to go for common, and then you need to add a whole folder here. So I already added this, so I don't need to do this anymore. And still, if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is you need to go back on Steam and then right click on the game, properties, installed files, browse, and then you should get this folder here, and then you need to look for exe file here. Should be this one. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator and apply all these changes, right? And your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.